Hey guys, here's another video for you. So what I've got right here is my Fender mini amp right here. Yeah. So, we're outside and I'm going to be doing a siren test. So, let's make the announcement. Alright, so here we go.
Attention please. Attention please. No action is required. No action is required. We'll be testing the siren. Please disregard. This is only a test. I repeat, we'll be testing the siren. Please disregard. This is only a test.
Alright, so here we go. So, make sure it's at the right volume. Then we'll get this thing started. Alright, I think we had enough of that. Alright, well, I think you guys can get the idea. Alright.
Attention please. The test has come to an end. Thank you for your cooperation. This was only a test. Again, the test has come to an end. Thank you for your cooperation. This was only a test.
Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.